class, and in this video, we are going to learn about the Google Classroom Stream for teachers. So when you join your Google Classroom, you'll see 4 tabs up at the top: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. That first tab is Stream, and it will always default you and your students here when you first join your classroom. The stream is designed to look a little bit like a social media stream, and it's designed to act a little bit like a social media stream. So you'll have your banner at the top, which I can show you how to customize and change in another video. And then down below, you'll see this is where you have announcements. Different teachers use the stream for different things. Some teachers like to use it like a bulletin board, so only teachers are posting announcements on it. And some teachers like to use it a little bit more like a social media platform where they're asking students to actually post and comment and interact with each other on the stream. It's up to you how you'd like to do that, and I'll show you all the options. To start, as the teacher, if you'd like to post an announcement, you'll see a box at the very top that says announce something to your class. When you click in, you can start to write your announcements. You now see we have rich text formatting, so you can make things bold, italicize, underline, and even now create bullet points in your announcement. Then at the bottom, you have the option to upload. So if you'd like to attach an image or a file from your drive, you can do that. You can upload directly from your computer. You can attach a link to another website, or you can directly attach a YouTube video. The nice thing about YouTube is it's integrated directly into the platform. So if you want to search for a funny cat video to get the day started on the right foot, you can type that in, select the video, add it there, and then you can preview it by clicking it directly from here. Then you can directly post to your class immediately by clicking post in the bottom right-hand corner, or this drop-down menu will allow you to schedule the post. So if you have these go out every morning, you might decide to have it scheduled for the next morning to automatically post. And you can also save it as a draft to come back later and edit. If it is saved as a draft or saved as a scheduled post, you'll see at the very top of the stream something that says saved announcements with a little drop down arrow to the right. That's where you can go in and see any post that you have saved or that you have scheduled, click into it to edit. Or click that trash can to the right-hand side to delete. Your students have the same accessibility to posting as you do. So when your students click into their class, they can also post, change the formatting, they can add files. I encourage my students to do it and teach them a lot about digital citizenship and make sure they're doing it in a responsible way. But you can also limit this feature by going to the settings wheel in the top right-hand corner, scrolling down, and under general settings, you see stream. To the right of that, you have the option, which will default to students can post and comment on the stream. You can have only students commenting. So if you put a post, they could still have the ability to comment, oh, that was a really funny video, or whatever they want to comment on it. Or if you'd like it to be purely a bulletin board, you can set it to only teachers can post or comment. Additionally, if most of your class is able to handle the stream appropriately, but you just have that 1 or 2 student that kind of can't, you can go to that student's individual post that they made. Maybe this isn't appropriate for school. Find the ellipsis or stoplight in the top right-hand corner of that post, and then you have the option to mute that student. What that will do, it will temporarily disable their access to posting on the stream. So when I click mute, I also have the option to delete the post if it was inappropriate. Then I click mute. And you'll now see that little red icon next to the name indicating that student is muted. After you have a restorative conversation with this student and they earn their privileges back, you return to the post and you can then unmute the student. Those are the basics of the Google Classroom Stream. For more EdTech tips, tutorials, and lessons, you can visit my website, empowerededu.co, or find my teacher's paid teacher store, Empowered EDU. See you next time.